everyone, today we are exploring the fascinating world of medicine and taking a closer look at those special words that begin with anti. These words are like clues that help us understand how different medicines do their job and why they matter for our health. Let's go on this adventure together. Alright, let's break down some of these fancy sounding medicine words in a way that's easy to understand. Antihelminthic. Picture a superhero sweeping in to vanquish parasitic worms that dare to invade our bodies. It is a type of medication that kills parasitic worms that can infect humans and animals. It's like a superhero that fights against those sneaky parasitic worms that might try to mess with our bodies. Antithrombotic. Imagine a guardian angel, elegantly preventing blood clots from forming, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This medication ensures our blood flows freely like a clear mountain stream, keeping our circulation in peak condition. Next up, antihypercalcemic. Sounds like a mouthful, right? But it's simply a friendly giant, maintaining the balance of calcium levels in our bodies. This medication is a stalwart defender of our bones, keeping them strong and sturdy. Then there's antineoplastic. Think of a warrior fearlessly combating cancer cells, hindering their growth. This medication is a champion, fighting to keep us healthy and robust. Consider antiarthritic. It's like a soothing companion that assuages pain and inflammation caused by arthritis. This medication gently calms our joints, allowing us to move with grace and ease. Antiviral, the shield against viruses that seek to invade our bodies. It's like having a team of superheroes working tirelessly to keep us healthy and virus-free. Meet antihypertensives, the calm coach that ensures our blood pressure remains steady. This medication diligently monitors our hearts, ensuring they beat strong and steady. And antifibrinolytic, it's the bodyguard of our blood clots, preventing them from breaking down too swiftly. This medication gives us the time to heal when we are hurt. Antimicrobial, the meticulous cleanup crew that wipes our harmful germs. This medication protects us from infection, keeping our bodies in prime condition. Anticonvulsants, the superhero that calms the storm of seizure and epilepsy. This medication reduces abnormal electrical activity in the brain, ensuring tranquility reigns. Antidiarrheal, the soothing friend that calms upset stomachs. This medication slows down bowel movements, reducing fluid loss and giving our bellies a chance to relax. Anticoagulants, the gentle hand that prevents our blood from clotting excessively. This medication ensures our blood flows smoothly, just as it should. And finally, antitussives. Picture a quieting agent that calms persistent coughs. This medication blocks the cough reflex in our brain, allowing us to breathe easy. Make sure to catch the second installment of this series, and the next time you encounter these intricate medical terms, recall the extraordinary champions they signify, the superheroes, guardian angels, fighters, and the reassuring companions, all devoted striving to uphold our well-being and resilience. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on our video. Thank you for watching.